Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novita Sari. In this video, I want to explain about vowel sounds. In this video, I want to explain 8 vowels. The first is A. To make it, open your mouth fairly slightly. Relax your lips. Make a short sound with your voice. Example: ego, effect, and explain. The second is E. To make it E sound, lower your jaw slightly. The lips are relaxed. The sound is short. Example: if, in, big. The third sound is U. U. This vowel is formed by keeping the jaw slightly open. The lips push outward to make an open circles. Example: pat, push, look, cool. And then fourth sound is E. To make these sounds, set your lips 1 centimeter apart. Wet your lips into a big smile. Example: B, we, honey. And then 5. The sound 5 is U. To make the U sound, keep the mouth slightly. Open the lips 1 centimeter apart. The lips are tense and push forward into a small circle. Example: do, lose, boo. And then the sixth sound is U. The U sound is a combination of the E and U. The lips are 1 centimeter apart. Begin with the lips part into a big smile. Then push them forward into a circle. Example: use, cute, music. And then unique 7 is A. To make this sound, keep the mouth slightly open. Example: up, under, love. And then the last sound is E. To make these sounds, lower your jaw slightly. The lips are tense and spread outward in half smile. Example: egg, edge, step. Okay? Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.